Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showcasing this rugged little EDC bag that is perfect for keeping your essentials organized and ready, and it's really beautiful, small. This bag is built for durability with its tough exterior and high quality materials. It's made by Solognak and I buy it in Decathlon. It costs about 15 euros. It's not so expensive, but it's okay bag for EDC. Despite its compact size, this bag has a surprising amount of storage inside. So you got this front pocket here. It's decent space inside. When you open main compartment is this loops, this elastic bands, two bigger and four smaller. Here you have one pocket, and here you open and then you have another compartment and four bigger and 2, 4, 6, 8 smaller. So compare a size. This is a GoPro. You can put it there. Here you can put something else, battery, I don't know. It's okay bag, it's not so expensive, and you can put a lot of things here. For 15 euros you can't buy any other bag that with that apartment and that quality.